Hopefully we both get it. Do you want me to go first?
You go first.
Let's see. Oh, I just picked it up.
Yeah.
Did you?
get our own ones, bro.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to keep these, bro. We'll be able to keep these and use it as escape. Let's
That's fucking mad, bro. Let's
Yeah,
Welcome
just
back to the Forest series.
Oh,
Bailey and I left off last episode with the
how do
paragliders.
you
Now we're going to jump off, we're going to glide up to the right side and explore more of the island.
Oh yeah, dog. How'd you do it? Just jump?
Yeah, just jump.
Go to the right side. Go to the right side, Bailey. Yeah. Oh, let's go, bro. Are you serious? This is awesome. It doesn't, bro. It don't even sink. It just stays up.
Yeah, that's good. I might not make it up that bitch, eh?
I don't think I am either.
Yeah, I'm pretty low.
We just go to the right side of it, just towards the right, so we can
Just
wrap
keep
around.
Yeah, I'm keen on it, bro. Seeing any fuckways around on the ground anywhere either.
Oh, it look good. Go through this forest, can't you?
Forest with it too.
Yeah. Oh shoot! Okay, there we go.
Alright, bro. I'm stuck in the tree.
Oh yeah. I'll wait for you.
Oh, dash,
Yes, sir. Oh, bro, there's a flare. Bro, we're gonna.
Flare gun?
Yeah. Oh, it's like a care package or something. We're gonna have to be careful, bro.
Body's hung up to the left.
I'd see there's someone on the flare too.
Hold up, bro, honestly, can I, fix my crouch? Just here.
Bro, I can't see it.
To the right, to the right.
Oh, what?
Because I'm crouched. We can get in it too.
Oh, what? That's crazy. Maybe we shouldn't yet.
Let's suss this.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's suss this, bro. Get back and we'll jump in. I can't be after.
You see, oh, the guy's holding the flare. There's a person holding
Yeah.
the flare. Alright, well,
It's a human.
maybe. I'm just gonna walk up. Okay.
Oh, nah. What the fuck?
What? What's it? What
Yeah,
is it?
go.
Hello? Oh, he died. Okay.
More grenades here.
Well, okay, cool. He died. I think we're gonna have to be quick. I might save real quick. Oh. Mad.
Go.
See you later, cocksuckers.
Does it have a battery?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
does.
fuel.
I think it's electric.
Okay. Well, I've got batteries, so that might be able to help.
True. Okay, cool. It's a moose.
The moose.
Can you shoot it?
Nah.
Oh, fuck! He kicked me out. He kicked me right. he kicked me out of the... he kicked me out of the front seat, bro.
He booted the fuck out of you. Jeez, get out, by the way. Nah.
Nah, that's right. We'll know with that. Like, we better do this quick, bro, before these fucking dudes come after us.
Oh, what's the time? What's the time?
It's 15, so it's 3:30.
3:30.
Yeah, 3. Oh, it's 3:50 almost. Let's just go. Let's go down the boat. I'm jumping, bro.
Alright then. Wouldn't even let me pick up this paraglider up here.
Wouldn't it? Oh. I've jumped.
Okay, funny
So I can leave the far boat. Oh, bro, good thing I didn't fucking. I hit the ground that hard there.
Did you go the furthest boat?
Yeah.
Alright. Holy cunt.
You alright? What happened?
Flowing in the air, bro. Trying to slow down.
Yeah, I know, bro. You can hit the ground though, doesn't it? Oh, a camera. Cool. I got a camera with a bit of cloth in here too. Oh. Oh, cool. Someone's wedding or something?
Land in the fucking water, bro.
This is cool, bro. It's like a little story of these people on a boat.
Bro, literally.
Yeah.
Is there any collectible shit up?
Reason me. Oh my god, there's some freaky drawings here.
Bro.
That is weird. That's a weird looking drawing.
Yeah. There's some weird shit on this fucking thing, dude.
Oh, there's a map, treasure map. The entrance would be.
So there's blow it up, blow the wall right out. You'll be able to sneak in. Everyone will be at the party. Sneak in now, Ivan.
Make sure you close the gold door after you enter, Ivan. And I've got like a little,
Map.
yeah, little map. I don't know. It's hard to tell. Okay, cool. Maybe that was the entrance, that door that we saw before on the map. Remember we saw
You will find the meaning of life again. Bro, jump up on the fucking boat. How'd you get up on the boat, cunt?
on the back. There's like a little ladder.
You have to click anything to get up the ladder?
Pajamas.
Camera. Yeah, I grabbed them.
You will find the.
Did you watch the video?
On over there, yeah, I did.
Yeah, well, I'm not fucking watching that.
It's literally just them like just cruising around. Ships are at the port, but that's not what ships are built for. Alright. Whatever the fuck that means. Alright, might chuck that camp down here. Let's use some tarp.
God.
Fuck, man. There we go.
There you go, bro.
How'd you do it? Ah, sweet. Alright,
Save.
yeah.
Quick slip.
Moving around. Oh, there's a big dude right there, bro. Holy fucking big cannibal.
Fuck.
Wait, he's stopping. He might turn around. No, he's not. Oh, shit.
Stay out of vision. Just stand still. I got the blicky.
Oh,
out,
dude.
just in case.
Okay. He's not happy. He didn't like that.
That's alright. He's chasing you
He's trying to kick me.
in the chest, in the head.
Nice, bro. Oh, he's still going.
More coming up. I'll deal with these ones. You jam him.
Yep.
Headshot. And again. He's got armor on his head, so I'm guessing that's bad. Legged it.
This guy's still up. He's kind of just standing there now.
I got like 7 of them, so I'm just dealing.
Yep. He's trying to get me. Oh.
I'll do the one down the hill.
Yep.
Get lifted, fuck boy.
Okay, I think he's dead now.
Another ones.
Yep, sweet. He's dead.
They sort of legged it.
Yeah.
Did he have anything on him?
Um,
Like any fucking skin?
Oh,
patch on
yeah,
him?
he dropped one. Yeah, at his feet. How many cards can we get? I reckon we go up to the top here. We just play video games, bro, and just fucking enjoy ourselves, bro. Like, what? You know, how good is that?
Literally. Don't have to fucking stress out about anything, mate.
Yeah.
Right, if you want to suss that.
Oh, yeah.
Helicopter, helicopter!
Is it?
Yeah, above us.
Oh, what? Is
Do
it
we have
landing?
flares?
It might land. I don't think I don't have flares. There should be just above the C4.
I don't have any.
Oh, over here, Bailey, to our
Oh, yeah, I
right. To our right, bro. To our right. It's already landed.
I'm trying to flare.
No, it's over here, bro.
Go.
To our right, there's like fucking. You see where I'm going?
Yeah.
I hope I don't get shot. Here they come, bro.
Yeah, I dropped through a flare.
Here it is, bro. Oh, fucking. Oh, solar panels, bro.
Is this the camp?
Yeah, solar panels.
so cool. Okay, okay. Did you get that GPS tracker up the front there?
I did, yep. This helicopter looked like it's trying to land. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, there's another MRE in here too. Keep an eye out for Puffton's old researchers. Contact Timmy LeBlanc, the kid with the mutant arm. He's also looking for the cube, Chuck. Okay.
Pick up that camera. What's that?
Alright.
Wakey, wakey. Look at them, trying to get away. Not today.
Oh, it's this guy. Oh my god.
Kiss.
Bro, that dude that was recording was just got shot in the fucking legs. Oh, dude, big guy, big guy.
How do you swap with the arrows?
I'm not sure.
Ah.
Oh, little bitch. Look at this, bro. Should we suss it out? I'm scared, bro.
I mean, you're already in there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Can you get out at all?
Yeah.
Oh, you have the wall again.
Can you,
Oh, yeah.
can you torch it for me? Yeah, I'll just knock this. Okay.
Yeah, I reckon avoid them dangly things, bro.
Yeah, cause it's like.
Cause I feel like mine will load them.
Oh, well, there's a.
They're down there.
Oh,
I can hear 'em.
fuck.
I'm coming down now.
Okay. Not too bad. Alright.
Holy. Alright.
Got all that tape. Should definitely stealth it, bro. Oh. Maybe we don't need to. It's just like a... Literally, that's it. Oh, did I get you?
Yeah, honey just though.
Fuck, sorry, dude. Fuck, we need to find the shovel, eh? That fucking radio? It sounded like it said, get your foot job today. Whoa!
I think
Okay.
so.
Careful, careful, careful. Oh, careful.
Yeah, I'm not coming down. I'm not coming down.
Maybe we can just roll down here. I'm just gonna roll down there, bro. Fuck it. Whoa! Shit! Off-roading. Oh! Holy, bro. This fucking...
Holy cow!
Yeah!
Wish you could expand the car map.
Yeah. Ah, fuck.
Oh, I was just about to push it up.
The biggest pile of sticks, eh?
Bruh, thank you guys. Oh, wow, he's still working, bruh. Look.
Is it?
To the right. Look. Look.
Oh, shit!
This guy.
No, it's gonna be us, right? Okay.
Okay, it's locked. I'm fucking. Let's actually grab a fucking sleep.
Yeah, I'm dying. I'm fucking all my shit's down.
Yeah.
I've got so much shit.
That's huge. That's what we wanted, though.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Bit of a longer one, but I feel like this is more content based, more action based, and we get to see the good parts of the forest, of exploration and the interaction. We've got a full set of armor, we've got a bonfire, we're ready to keep going, got a vehicle, 2 vehicles actually, and we're going to explore the underside instead of the north side of the island. We're going to go more south, more east, southeast. Okay, awesome. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.